Hi everyone. If your home is decorated in the glamorous style, then you may be interested in learning how to do some decorations for the holidays. You will most likely use gold, silver. In addition, you may also see marbling or fur. The modern aesthetics include the clean lines and unique shapes, which I love. Now, this is my first collaboration, and I'm so excited to connect with some of fabulous DIYers. They are expert in glam aesthetics, and I want you to please check them out. Subscribe and follow their channels because they have some amazing things for you to see. So right now, let's jump into craft number 1. So the first craft is going to be a vase, but you can also use it as a light. I like to use things in the home for more than just one purpose. So the supplies needed for the project include E6000 Chiron white spray paint, a cloche top, and a tea light candle holder. This project is very simple. It only takes a few minutes. You turn the top of the cloche upside down and glue it with E6000 to the top of the tea light. Now, once it is secure, you can take it outside to spray paint. And once it is dry, you can put your Christmas arrangements in it and set it on your fireplace mantle or your dining room table. In addition, you can put a puck light in it and put it on your bedside stand or mix it in with your tablescape. How divine. Now, craft number 2, the supplies you need include 1 bag of marbles and some gold Chiron spray paint and E6000, or you can use another type of adhesive that is super strong. The first thing you want to do is line up the marbles 3 across to make a square. So all 3, there will be 3 on each side. I use 2 types of glue. So I made 7 squares of the marbles and I let them dry overnight. Now this process, if you're wanting something quick, you can use hot glue, but I found that it did not hold as well as something more permanent. The next day, after they were dry, I stacked one 3 high, putting the glue that I had, and the other one I put 4 high. Make sure that they're even, and you have to let them dry overnight. So I took them outside, I sprayed them gold, and I thought they were just beautiful. Now, originally, I intended to make them as a candle holder, but I wanted something real unique to put in it. So I got some Dollar Tree candles, and I melted a green candle that I had, and I dipped the tips of them in the green melted candle. They turned out nicely, but if you're going to dip your candles in another color, I suggest that you use beeswax candles. One way you can style them is as a napkin ring. Also, you can use them as a miniature Christmas tree holder. When I do my DIYs, I like them to be styled in a variety of ways. Now on to craft number 3. Remember, I said that modern you use acrylic. So I had these acrylic gems from Dollar Tree. So you need some E6000, some green faux diamonds, and a square yellow found object that you will see it being used as a candle flame. But the first thing that I started out with was I was going to make a wreath out of the gems. So I needed something to make it complete circle that would not be moving around and that I could get it absolutely round in a circle. So what I use is a circular tape hold, and I put them around that so that I could make sure that I had the gems that they would all fit, and they did. And once it was completely dry, I threaded a ribbon through there. It's a very small ribbon. It's probably 1/8 of an inch ribbon. And boy, does that look fabulous. So you hang that on your Christmas tree, and you can make a few more, and boy, that reflects the light, and it is just beautiful. And my final craft is some cardboard Christmas trees. This is a very easy one also. All you need, the supplies you need are 3 different sizes of paper Christmas trees. So I did one in black, one in gold, and one in white. And I embellished it with gold washi tape. The cardboard cones come in for 15-inch, 12-inch, and a 7-inch. Display on your mantle, and woo, how beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to follow the other women and men who are on this collaboration. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a lovely day.